welcome back to my channel. My name is Just the Queen Wells, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that button so that you will know every time that I upload a video. Yeah, and today we're just going to do some makeup. I know my last video was a long chit chat. Get ready with me, but I am staying home today. I'm working, so I don't have on anything fabulous, so I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. You know that I love my little items I get from my little subscription. This is one of them that I got. I love this. It looks kind of greasy on camera, but it really isn't. It kind of soaks into the skin. I love that. It's really moisturizing. It's called Classy Touch to Soul. It's by Pretty Fitter. It's a classy skin balm. So yeah, I've been using that on my face and just the regular stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Man, I had so much makeup transfer, it was terrible. So I love Kat Von D, but it looks like I'm going to have to find something that's a little bit stronger. So anyway, let me show you what I got from Nordstrom's. You know, Nordstrom's Rack has makeup in there. So I just picked up some stuff from Nordstrom's little rack they have in there. So what I got from them was this Naked Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. It was $10.85, and I got this in the color Dark Golden. Yeah, they usually have makeup in there. I guess this may have been returned or whatever, but this is the color right here. And yeah, I thought this would look good under my eye. Yeah, I really like Naked. It matches my skin pretty well. That's the color. It looks lighter on camera than it actually is, but yeah, I'm gonna try this out. It looks almost similar, just a little bit lighter than my Fenty, which I think is going to fit my skin a little bit. Fenty is pretty dark on me. And then the next thing I got was the Naked Skin Urban Decay One and Done Blur on Run Touch-Up Finishing Balm. So I got this, and this is okay. And this was $12.73, and I got this in medium dark. So I'm going to test this out today. So I got, yeah, this is this color right here, and yeah, this is close to my skin color. It's Blur and Run. Okay, so we'll see how that is. It's a long wear oil absorbing hydrating balm. So it says this touch up and finishing balm will blow your damn mind. Okay, ultra lightweight and water resistant. It instantly blurs flaws, absorbs shine, and leaves skin looking radiant. So we are going to try this out today instead of my makeup, my normal Born This Way makeup. So we'll try that. And then I got the IT Your Skin But Better CC Plus Airbrush Perfect Powder Illumination Sheer to Full Coverage Finish Veil Skin Loving Optical Blurring Protector. So I got this in a deep, and this was $17.23. So let's take this out of the box. And this is normally like 22 bucks, so yeah. So I got an array of makeup here, guys. We're going to see what my face looks like after I finish. And I better get on the ball because I'm supposed to be at work in a little bit. Oh, I love this packaging. I love anything pink and sparkly. So, absolutely. I actually love this one too. It's very pretty. So, yeah, I'm looking in the monitor. So I got these 3. That's pretty much the basics. And then I went ahead and got the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Hydrating Base. So I'm not going to use this today, but it's the hydrating primer. Let's see. So this looks like this, and this was I don't know how much this was, but anyway, this is this, and I am going to go ahead and put this on because I purchased this in this little thing here. So I'm going to use everything I purchased here, but I'm going to at the end I'll show you what I got from Ultra. So let me just get started with this. I'm going to go ahead and put this on, even though I went ahead and put my Pore No More. I forgot I had this in the package, but I will go ahead and use this one and put it on my face, because you can never have too much stuff to prime your face, girls. Lord, this is kind of sticky, so I'm liking it. It may keep my makeup going a little bit longer. So I went ahead and got that on. I'm going to try to use this sponge. You know I'm not good at this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set that with a little bit of my powder here. Oh, well, yeah, I'll use this powder to set it. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set the top of, ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. That's pretty. I'm going to go ahead and use this to set the top of my forehead. So what I'm using are these 2 colors. I'm mixing these 2 colors right here. So okay, that's about the best I can do, guys. So I got that on. I'm going to go ahead and use this setting powder. And I'm going to use my Morphe M426 brush to kind of set this. Now I do like this powder. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm doing a tutorial and you're in it.
Tutorial?
Yeah, I'm doing makeup this morning. I'm using some new makeup. It's Urban Decay Laura Mercier and It Cosmetics.
And I'm in it.
Well, you're on the phone, and the phone rang in the middle of my recording, so you're in it.
Oh, okay. Well, what time did you start that?
Around 6, right after I got out the shower. I was motivated, so I went ahead.
Oh, so you just kind of knocked out two birds with one stone is what it is?
Yeah, since I had to go to work, I felt like putting some makeup on, and here we are.
Okay. Right. Well. Well, good morning to that, then, I guess. Look at you.
My friend kept on talking, so guys, I'm just going to speed this up so I can get you through this. It was a long conversation. You can see that I'm just giggling the whole way through. He just wouldn't stop talking, but it's okay. We got through it. So just keep on watching. So I finished everything. I got my lashes on. I went ahead and did my lips. And I had my phone call. My friend gave me a quick call. So talking about some things that happened at his job. So sorry about that, guys. I was just finishing up my makeup as I was talking with him. He likes to talk about the Bible and about things that go on with his day. So I don't mind because I got a lot of stuff I need to talk with. And sometimes talking to the opposite sex kind of gives you a sense of relief. And I'm reading this new book that I'm finding comforting outside of just reading the Bible. Sometimes you just need to settle down and get focused on some things that you want to do in your life that you might not have been able to do. So that's what I'm trying to do, is recapture some things that I wanted to be focused on, but I wasn't able to because I was so busy trying to make somebody else happy and trying to make things work. Now I don't have that problem, so I'm trying to be focused a little bit more on what makes me happy. Sometimes that's difficult, but yeah, I'm working it through. So guys, just so, oh God, I'm getting ready to cry. So anyway, let's get back to makeup. So I went ahead and used the Cherry Crush Lip and Cheek Stain. I have not used this on my cheek, but I went ahead and put this on my lips. You guys know I like that. Oh jeez, I gotta. Okay, so under my eyes, I went with something a little bit lighter, and I went ahead and used this little stick. I don't know who's it by, but I went ahead and used this under my eyes to put some brightness under there. So let me just tell you. So the Laura Mercier primer, I do like that. I think it gives me a matte finish, and you know I love matte finishes because my spray kind of gives me a dewy finish. And I'm gonna start looking for some new sprays. I did get the Smashbox spray. I'm gonna try that out. I haven't so far. I've been using these sprays I got with my BoxyCharm, but ooh, because I haven't really been anywhere. So, whoo, girl. So, that's straight up alcohol. So, the other thing is, I actually got this brush in one of my BoxyCharms. I love this when I brush, but the sponge, I like this one. It was not that bad to use. It's nice and soft, so I will be using this again. This Blur on the Run. I'm not that sure about this. For a full face, no. If you had to do some touch up to your makeup, yes. I think it is awfully greasy. Well, maybe if you you have dry skin, this might be perfect for you. I don't personally like it for a full face. I think it is shiny. I don't know how it looks on camera, but yeah, I'm not necessarily liking it real